Well, another wet day headed away. It's all a matter of degree and not quite as wet as yesterday, though it's going to be pretty much a soaker out along the coastal beaches again and over on parts of the Kitsap Peninsula. But most places you could probably get about half of the rain they got yesterday, so which ranged anywhere from about 2 to 3 inches out along the coast. Over Puget Sound, it was generally right. If you weren't in the rain shadow of the Olympics, which was kind of to the northeast yesterday, you got anywhere from about, maybe about 3/10 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch. And then over along the Hood Canal area, they got anywhere from about 1.5 to 2.5 inches. So about half of that is what we're expecting today. You see that rain still coming up, still being affected by that atmospheric river, which is still parked just off the coast. It's going to be moving inland, but weaken substantially as we head towards later today and then overnight tonight. And then we'll just be seeing some off and on showers tomorrow. But you can see still some pretty heavy rains out there towards the coast and on the west slopes of the west and south slopes of the Olympics. And then over Puget Sound, you see the rain there, but seeing a little bit heavier rainfall there right along the Hood Canal and parts of the Kitsap Peninsula. Checking temperatures, mild morning. We're running mostly in the upper 40s and low 50s as you head out the door. Satellite image does show that band of moisture not looking quite as bright as yesterday as it begins to weaken. It's going to gradually go away. Once again, atmospheric river it sounds like something new, but it's actually basically what we're looking at here is a stalled cold front off the coast and a little warm front over us, which is we've been talking about fronts in the past, but we now realize, and the research has shown, that most of our moisture transport from the tropics up into our latitudes comes in these very narrow bands, which are associated with fronts, which have been renamed atmospheric rivers. So it's not a new phenomenon, and it used to be just a stalled front over us, or Pineapple Express if it extended all the way down to Hawaii, but now we have atmospheric rivers, though this is gradually turning into an atmospheric creek as it starts to turn some of the water off. Take a look at the forecast for today in terms of that atmospheric river. You can see the rainfall just gradually diminishing during the course of the day as that moisture kind of goes away, and then it looks like we'll be seeing as we head towards this evening, things will be switching over to just more off and on showers as we head towards tonight. You do see that next system, though, headed more towards California, and that is going to be giving us some wet weather down in San Francisco as we head towards that Seahawks game tomorrow. In fact, it looks like we'll probably see the front move through there right around game time tomorrow, so it could be pretty blustery. Might even see a chance of a thunderstorm tomorrow, but we'll talk more about that a little bit later on. You can see for us, though, as we head into tomorrow, we're going to be looking for just some off and on showers, and those should diminish during the course of the day. Take a look at our computer model. You can see it's showing about the same, pretty much what I saw, but in terms of just seeing the rainfall coming through. But as we head towards later on today, we do start to see that steady rain start to diminish and start to move on to the east. Take a look at the mountains. If you're headed up that way today, you're going to be looking for rain at all the mountain passes. They're basically looking at barren, wet roadways. Stevens Pass has traction tires advised. Otherwise, there's no restrictions at all. Things in good shape. And our mountain forecast calls for rain or snow at times today, with that snow between about 6,000 and 7,000 feet. Here in the lowlands, look for rain at times. Breezy north of Everett, low to mid 50s. Decreasing showers with some sun breaks tomorrow. Increasing rain again late Sunday, partly sunny, a few showers Monday, another round of rain Tuesday into Wednesday, but back to partly sunny with a few showers Thursday. Cooler next week with highs mid to upper 40s.
A local